the precision glue gels. I'm so thrilled because you can still see my forever bottle. Is one bottle lasts you forever. Well, I don't want to last you forever 10 years because it means that we need to use more to make a lot of extra income. I have the brand new from this subscription box this month. So today is the 4th. So you have approximate about a week to get your this month November subscription box. And then the 12th is going to be December box. So you love the box this month. Don't miss out. You just grab it, and then 100 lucky subscriber will receiving the Glitz gift cards. Actually, it's like Glitz cash. So then you can go back and purchase more. I mean, using the discount between from 10, not the discount, I mean cash, between $10 to $100. So good luck and have fun, all subscriber. Thank you for the amazing love and support. You know that we wouldn't be here without every single of you, and we couldn't do it without you. So this is a special thanks from all of us at Glitz to every single of you. Thank you so much for throughout years supporting us. Cheer for another years that we're still here with you. And thanks so much for our amazing teams, BA team. They're really dedicated and they try really hard to always giving a content out to us. Check out our highlights on the page that will say our team. You can see all their account there, and also their information is also on the website as well. So you can click on that and meet our team, and there is a Instagram handle there. You can able to connect with them. There's really cool, really humble, they're really grateful. So I'm so lucky to work with every single of them. So because I'm talking, I'm just like want to show you every single video. I don't think I missed any video with this because I really want to share with you. You can seal the beads, seal on the top of bead around the edges of the crystal. Make sure that if you find the sketch, like the scratchy, and you find like the gap there, you're going to seal a little bit. Each time you're going to use, that's much you're going to do. You see that how much I'm using? That's it. And less is more. If you're doing it little, if you need to add more on, if you're like, oh my God, it feels scratchy, because I do feel for my clients a couple of times, because if we're doing a lot of crystal, I do one time first and I seal and I key for 30 seconds and I go back and seal it again, and I'm telling the clients, can you like check them, run through your hair and see if it's still catching on your hair, or just, you know, like touch your sweater, see if it's stuck in the sweater. You know, if it does, let me know what spot, because I feel really well for each of their nails, and then I double check it, triple check it, to then make sure that they can wear with absolutely confidence and happy with what they're wearing. You know, you feel texture, but you don't feel scratchy. You don't feel like, oh my God, it's stuck here, you know. All right, to all my love, I am absolutely obsessed with this, and it's just so simply I'm using the stickers. Let's recap the Thinking Green Neon, just all fusioning. And then what else? Welcome Hugs. Did you take my Welcome Hug away? I think you might took it away. I think I give it to you and then you took it away. No, but I didn't use this. Honestly, I'm going to use it, but oh, here, I'm sorry. Welcome Hugs. I'm trying to give him a hard time so he can get me a pumpkin spice latte. Passionate and Feeling Blue, which is another one on the collection. So you know what, it's a great day. I'm so happy and excited. I am here with you. Thanks for another great day that I have an opportunity to be with you. So here is the final looks with super. Just grab all the stickers. It's so cool. Is this for like fall time? And then it's great all the way to Thanksgiving, you know, and it's shipped really fast. You get it, your package in a couple of days, ready, a perfect time for your Thanksgiving. And if you are doing it for yourself, DIY, it's going to be, oh my gosh, OMG, it's going to be great. Because if you even don't know what you are going to do, even like just put the gel polish on and top coat, and you put some of this on, it's already all the detail for you. Look at that, look little like painting, look like little dots, like I have one video doing with gel, but this is those already in the sticker for you. So there are 12 of them. I know you can get the set of 12 or single one. Single one. Even you get one piece is good. Me, I get 5. I have total of like, how many pieces I have?